Baby obi a odi ye adwuma bia so ye kwani so ye driver ni so ye mate so ye dwadini so ye presenter wo ye teacher wo ye doctor pharmacist baby bia wo ye adwuma bia ye mehu nyina happy May Day and a happy Workers' Day. Bibia nya find ye but ye won kwan de ne wade isas nyame na ayesa ye mo acha no pabede de akwasi insia no pai ekomo bebre no e beko online akoye stories egu online do online afi manjo online any other online portals ye beko ne akotwe nsebo a etwa egu enanso amafo edi wa wo de ba hwe mo nyina happy birthday no chi ye kwa nyina ye betwa behind the scenes munta ehu ye obenhu aye akwasi nsia omahene kwabena sante afia bankwa tabaklo anochi waba sewa ye na na hu ye e wo TV ne so saa wallace wom and de surprise bi kura sa okra de editwem and sports no fireman akasa mu e wo so songo countryman songo nakasa mu ejina mu dendende pa no pai e wo Badwam sports it's nadaje ene so ye kwere mesa bie kwa atum no watimi afre wa na ye adwuma bi wo ba bia opeso obo na baso enye da bia na ye be frɛ be criticize nkrofo yi ade na so ani a ye mo mabaso ye nhwe mu enkuran se na bia awfo se be ye suade no masua bi ade afri mu ese bia o ma ne so atum na so atimi afre obi a wo ye adwuma bi wo ba bi se bia ye assemblyman se wanka se bia mekaka bi kura wukunu ebukura na bia wo ye adwuma den ade bua efie wishing happy Workers' Day and akonya dem ya be biere sa akonya nyina edema eti the program no air tight wo ahosepe ewom sanso ene ebedi apomne ho nkomo na no achia kɔ mpensempensem ni pafo bedi nkomo e de ahwe apato kese e ba so NDC amyokomu wona epre agina bi wo nyina do madika ka jo se ne ye de kama no ebechiri efie ha nyina wona ye adwuma behind the scenes camera for sound light control room makeup for omo atwie so mane kama pa atoso na atwie anim ye betwe nyina ma wahu nyina sampa amafo so ba ahomache de som seya ebi kura beja ye dem ho TV so keke betwe mu nyina ma obi ehunu adwuma amafo so eye ewo fidie mu ba quickly yanko adomonline.com na ye hwe nsemu a etwagu ewo hodom. We say minority takes on cocoa board after Mohammed's claims on cocoa sector. Ejibe kama mpenda da John Ramani mama. Na uchi etwa mu na be tuja se Ghana ye cocoa ejman de say enwu kura egu awie. Cocoa board for the krata pia bonten e be kire the sans map John Mahama kan no. E ye horodo brada sem e kontompon sem no kura baako sei enim. Eni kwasa Ghana for e so mpenda da John Ramani mama so emo twantro atrogu Ghana se aban enwuma eno na minority so ababonte dom kuma mrashe jefem so de krata ababonte be chem se omle adanse tai ne John Mahama kan no echi omo akire baabi a nana adodan kwakufo do MPP abembe fa baabi a koko esi o Mahama pensom ene baabi e ne atete ababedu soko adomonline.com wa wenya bi akenkan ehonum. Your love is timeless. Davido celebrates Chioma on her birthday. Eti Davido ne yire enso hu asem Nigeria ni alata for 70 yebe komo later. Many banks facing severe financial crisis ato force minority leader enso na e kan say adomonline.com say sikakura bia odru a owo Ghana hanum bebre huna mane pa bebre teso omo teso ankasa sikasem wa yede am say anhwe bedumre bi no o sika da bank na so okọ say okọ akoyi anhwe bank ni nyes kale ma because bank no akwa onye hiem ni nyina firi amamu osu sambo ne anana adodan kwagufado esan wo Ghana for so Ghana for je on ba bia enye ato force minority leader na e kan say yem thousands join Alan for a Drew Woso health walk enana me da na nya asem ketwa e won krampompene mantemu John Kojo Alan Chirematen, former trade minister, former Ghana ambassador to United States of America. And what trinity as a preman penny dibre ewo NPP amyuko mimre de chamu and na odi a dom pim enim and when we apomdi anamo truye ni nyina ayese Drew John Alan Kojo Chirematen eso. Anyway, na chitafo a church mu se wohwe se na NPP amekọ ye show monema efiri afia pem ahonkro ayokro mienu from 1992 eba 1996 amekọ na ntimi ani nkunim na adubwa ejemu edema John Ajekunku from obra mo call enkunimdiem ema enkunimdie koma kufuo na efiro na MPP fo ye nhye se John Kufuo wi a ose ye dane ebekọ abato de so yempekọ befa so a ebedi nana adodan kwakufuo ado ensem adodan kwakufuo ado wi ese yakufuo na kasem nkogina ba bi eka se owi a aduru alankyere maten so etieno ne aduru woso no eto mfi se John Ajekunkufuo enyane de awie nana adodan kwa akufo ado so enyane de awie and this are the trinity na uyi adubwan nyankopon fa ne kra ensiem no ka na nkomo ye enipa na nkomo prema mpene di bre ewo MPP amekom no se uyi adubwan no esi nchen ya sa nipa miensa aka mu nyina mte ase no kufu awie ne de akufa ba awie ne de in 2025 7 January so owie ne de adan adu John Alan Kojo Chebate so no work na omukọ ye ti nipa pempem ekọ no enye asem kuma akura na local is anti-LGBTQI bill. Withdrawal of investment threat will not deter Africa. Backman. It is Speaker of Parliament so na ekasa ne say wanya ne tie se abrofo awodro kuo ene na mo ka se abibiman anye se bitumutumu ene supi antumu a emo omde ma abibiman no obete so ba me se me fa mo faram kra da bia musika ma ekra ye hunu ne ye na sika na hye se susumbo na mo di sika na chi o ba bia kasa o akasa pa abankins force man abagben Speaker of Parliament na make no wasebe. Speaker of the 8th Parliament of Ghana. And I say abafon fo bisike krom fa. Se tolu kra se crackers kana un kwes ka me fa na hwem ekọ se sunsun bi diska na chi o. Ejo so fa ma yo munya hunahuna no. Na enye no mo kan ti me sebi o ya tena hanom ne ya gi tumutumu ni supi atum. Se entena se nya hwa ma oba ko fa no yonko ba. Se sebi pese me no tena se me yire. Number dawo so si entra se hwema bema nkofa no yonko bema kwa brane nyina no yonko bema chi mon tutum o si abra ma abusu emamu mema abusu emamu ensi ti ba me sabra fofom si komfa obo forma de eti adumonline.com and that is fa me come enjoyonline.com ni enhwe ni etwagu enso ewo eho no enjoyonline.com so the minority takes on Cocoa Board of after Mohammed's claims on cocoa sector. Tiyako enemu anti-LGBT yapko enemu. That time patrol kosura kame. Okay. It's time for a serious discussion about how we can support our local banks. Dr. Ato Forsin, minority leader, and when so different ya manjo line so ere abano sesebio conformation come say kro ebeboa. One na yire ne ma na busua na sefo nyina so etemo bi. Etibra ewe se wo bisa na kufa de bai wa tutuni mai basa magana ekwa ehuye hia mu pa na za to force simpani waka sem se achia emu yes ne kasa mebo de nyina se nyina ka obom se buamu ade ba ko ne e ka tripa mu a e betimi anje Ghana banks na ewa anom no etu asem na ewa police brutality on the rise in Ghana. Amnesty International country director so ne kan say him se konya police for fa so tete bamfo no pejana pejana sa ade bechi ade be sem bia bet se police ni akunipa ade chi ade sem bia na police for tutuo because om kutatuo ntu ya be bon o ye ne so de be bon. Amnesty International country director of Ghana and eka they say 2 bodies recovered from Volta Lake. Okay. Sudan crisis, air strikes and fighting in Khartoum as truce collapses. It's unfortunate for us. Ghana for now Sudan no. Do na the abampen for through Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration and Development. Yetimi eyi omu nyina e de efro but ne yakoso e Sudan enso eno no. Say afedie se ne ntokwana no ayede no kopiem e wo Khartoum portable one mu a ejigua ne sabat nyame e be kirem. Piak urges government to speed up development of petroleum resources. Public Interest Accountability Committee for and so asem quick mama Wager Dam spill to begin anytime soon. Ghana Water Company Limited so na ebo amanfo ye tibe Wager sutade no ekoko ese sene nsu ahya ase na se egugu na egusu a egu ne bem no wona ti sampote mo no hya ase ntu omonfo esa se enche kro betimi abie sutade no atum ye bie so tumu a ejapade esen edan be sen emfuo be sen etu atim potem obi a hya ase kaka wani hunu baabi abekwa akọbọ onwadwa esanse se ye koya o metimi abie no ebre bia esanse sutade no ya na eyema ede ekoya na eyema edekom. Sperm donor who fathered 550 children ordered to stop. Esade bia ba wi ase a chese o pese sperms ye wo mu no etimi wo banko ade etimi donate na ye de ahye mfidiem ni aka oba bi nso de ase ani na eba efremu aba na esi abrante baako ono wa donate sperms a ma ye de awo nkwada 550 ahenum ni aduenum 550 empenfo aka chenso wonyai mo donate sperm bia biem baako fo ntimi ntena wi ase ngo 550 sa baakofo edoso dodo eti eno so en but udonate ya maska udonate ya maska pa sperm donation no ska wom pa meka ni sa no ska wom pa udonate sperm nyame ye wadom na nya ska ni bi donate bi de mana ojim se okoko afu anu ate asim no because oda bi e begugu so oda bi e begugu so because o say make sure say won so no why fine. And now, before Christ said, so Jitum Christ will be donated. Nipa na be donate ama no. O make sure say from the time now, you better to work. Come as a sperm be ready no. Obe show be di because if you eat well, or sperms eye kama. Enti sperm donation ni there. Ahuto ni sika ewo menka fa na da menka se koye. Menka se koye. Enti ba na me chone say sika wom. U donate sperms a sika wom. U donate ya so hunu ba bi so u donate di akọ so sika wom no so hunu ba bi because we nya aba na donate di ama no ena sika akọ wo kamu o enya aba no aka so wo twa ma IMF abansa na otwe aka we ya nkra nyame adu akakra wo musem na nso bibi nti won kru no sperms entimi ngo ba nyame awadom abamu osi nso ubo yuma fifre shawo it will no sperms the top from obi botra ya enta miensa on ekono ba brante ba kwa donate am ya won kwada 550 nyampen 24 aka chance wonyai saade no wonyai ti ya two hospitals e wo amama odo nyina afo se nipa no oba se obe donate sperms am obi a enye biem ye ba akofo ntimi ngosa bebre nkwada 550 enta wom ahina sa wom ni nyina brante yi o sperms de se kapapa odidi ye oye exercise nye ba bia no call faka onante to so yebe na onso eku enim nti na director na da hodom no se meka se director be ma ye di wo ho sa mekenkan ekonom ni se do be bia makenkan food details ne pe abwo hu oh da mpacho mon ko da na yes I go back there search for story no nti story no na da myjoyonline.com myjoyonline.com sperm donor ya wa donate am ya won kwada 550 nkwada o this one what told me or your father of many nations because o hwehwe mu akenkan story na amama odo be se aduasa na abrantie ne ma wo so amama odo but because you say nipa o donate sperm ne ma no twia ne ka contract wo huntim kwala ne nya ne dia despite say DNA ebe confirm ya che say ampa oni nkwada no DNA nyina efa no but enkrata da ho se u donate sperm sa ebe frimu ba enya wo dia ti abrante ne wawo e no dia ma manfo ono so nyankopon dia hye ne sa ya wo ye de boa adasa eso eno no enam ne sunti yesi aware bebre na eseyin agina Adarma. Okay, it is an American. A Dutchman suspected of fathering more than 550 children worldwide through sperm donation has been ordered to stop. The man named Jonathan, 41, could be fined more than 100,000 euros, that's 88,000 pounds, if he tries to donate again. I don't know. Cause what this kana what this I say me sorry this one no call I say yeah escafo on ya meaning na dini ye kwada 550 ni nyina yesi mu bese 480 escafo ma say tom ya mu face kana ya hwe na maame bia papa bi o ma ne ba ewo ahinasa oh ene tso akwa ne dem o Jonathan ne so ne dem Jonathan 41 years old, or a millionaire. When you will say yasra, only is of this cage, but unfortunately, so dear Grace, you have a car, 88,000 pounds. Dear Grace, you have a car, 88,000 pounds. That is 100,000 euros, because and Ben from Pesabako for base. See, yes, yen donating young Trano cracker. See young one shasa, assistant, as well, but some said, yeah. A better you never say that about young question. Meanwhile, my joy online.com now fame me human now I'm on phone to me and friend which she at for happy workers' day. Okay, and gunman kills 5, including child at Texas in home and young America, which we told to America. It told to answer to answer. That be a dear child, say. So we both to answer, but you can't report it. Something illegal mining is becoming prevalent that communities are accepting it. Elembele DC and correct. Elembele DC. Only a one called you say, "Where galam say no." Obe su. On another per Obama, you better news fast. Now church we say the okwa ye manta mua. Tima mfona kasa dia to me say galam say ni de. Ye tuwa ni say yetu. Ye tuwa ni say yetu. It ono so de no. Eti these and many other stories and oko myjoyonline.com wonum. Send a man for near bro mo sperm donation procedure no. Nwanwa. So sperm donation procedure no e de aye dan. O de etimi wo ba. And yes, yes, but donate sperm to benoti and each account. Or see, making sure say a bit me a fertilize, a bit me a woba. Yes, sperm be an sperm, so to be on Yanubi. Can take sperm.
The Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo, Wallace, a good year catch back up. The only nomenclature professor's degree in sports, the Al Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and a messing Kunyana Mekono Quantum Cordon Small and Sakan and the Pensubu, our Ghana could give 8 Jow. You may come and sa, or Madama, or Maboma Chido Men, so your day in common 18 Saba. One expert, I've always told you that betting there is better than Sakawa, who can be forwarding before you come be in Kumasan Manum, catch the Bussian for now for your mouth as for and Mukumun Brafo Nase, and now go for 4 days. A one expert to your Austin right Taucha, na Adam C. Come at the minimum. Bet with money that you can afford to lose. Kaira in Yawadano, and no any ditra bet. Until open bet there, a 1x bet one dance any diamano. Jeffas Mr. Edwin so infection said do gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, wife, and Nasudi Puanachua was that to make a Jeffas Heba Mr. B. To me, proper Haranum Bone, about me didn't check. Wherever shops and pharmaceutical shops in Emo also pay Jeffas Mr. Nunia Drubaqua, a bit young boy, more taking a pinting with a dim. Yeah, cannot not sedimo gel and roll on. Your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas weapon national, a drop by 2 year DSA, a pain if you redeem no, a sedimo gel and roll on. For each of our shaman me market, and now I feel so 10 months on Sabitia, Kabubitia first sedimo gel and roll on for 020-821-9129. Now on a sedimo gel and roll on from paying for injection como, so to be a cotton and as auto de hono, a shabwa and maniama etian kuye ediamount. A journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step. And shall see MFF EPL matches out with defense PM any week 29. Sena matches in Isiko any House of Folk a check in Faisa, Naji Abdul Karim Gusa team, Atrom 2-0, and Afin Sukumasi as Santiago anytime city, Omo Ebo 1. Bonia Koma, Hesana case in Isiko.
It's hard luck for us because today is better than what we did last game that we played. We created a lot of chances, but unfortunately, we couldn't convert them. And I think we have to work on that particular one as well. Like I said before the match, we work on certain areas. Unfortunately, we couldn't keep to that particular task. Because when you look at the way we concede, they equalized our goal. It was the same mistake that we have been doing. And this time, I don't know what to say again, but we'll keep on working with them because they were all standing and clearly you could see that our players were far behind the ball instead of attacking the ball. Unfortunately, the goalkeeper too didn't help instead of him to also coming out. Sometimes he have to save us. He has been doing it, but this one, we got it wrong. And I think it's something that we have to correct. It's hard luck for
Ghana Premier League sena matches this year ko na unsunsan so ana yedi eja no week 29 sena isi ko no ote Abdul Ghazali onege caretaker coach Edema Kumasi Asangro ko se odene nkomo enso 8 giant but ebeko Patrick Osajiman country man Songo ho na ahwe sena niema esitie ewo dwumadi a edin. Hello Songo. Okay, intino ene yen kombio na fe David Oklu House of Folk omo coach ono so after say a record victory no ne nkoma David Oklu enso edija eni.
This is marvelous. You see, we kept it until the late minute. That makes it so sweet. Okay.
Would you admit
I'm impressed.
King Faisal were dominant in the first half? They were just not lucky to have created enough and scored, and you got a trick right in the second half.
Yeah, King Faisal played well. They were very disciplined, and they gave us a very good game. But we did the necessary thing.
And see, as a full coach, David Marvin Dixon Oklu and our tenant council also didn't come 8 to a record of victory. I want to cancel the PM so week 29. But you hear highlights and so, and it's an Nema AC course games in him.
Wants to drive his team forward, and it's a Waku, lovely ball to Yonde. It is Yonde with a cutback, and that's the goal for the Fabians. Hatzabok finally find the back of the net. It is the Fabians in the lead at the Accra Sports Stadium. Here is York, puts one through for Kosa. Here comes Kosa, he cuts off for Yonde, and the second, Linda Mtange makes it 2-0 for Hatzabok. In stoppage time, the Fabians have a 2-goal lead against King Faisal. The man and not the ball. Jamuna! What a goal! That's an absolute beauty! Glorious finish from Rocky Jamuna. Goodness me, that was a thunderbolt. Free kick was quickly taken from Ejapon, then he found Jamna, unleashed it, and he beat the goalkeeper completely. Rocky Jamna. Jack Basu. Collins Amwa Watson to Livingston's Arthur.
And see Ghana Premier League sena matches this year ko na de hunsun so ja other matches appear Bechem United 2 Samata 0 and afi Dreams 5 and na afi Legon City 1 Karela United 4 Bechem United 1 Accra Lions 1 and afi RT 2 and afi Nsrotama 1 and na Mediama Sporting Club 0 we any matches be between bia between nyame adoma Kotokurias any Aduana Stars ne and omde akensi ne between Sampem so channels mam Aduana Stars league leaders omne da league na Estropa omohwe nim sa fi obetia pija frank and deja kunkun yenko Patrick Osajiman countryman Songo fireman ho na yene na ntwen komo hwese na niama ACL ko ewo dwumedia no so eguso koso fi sabire ko de nyame adoma adwada ukoda anafin so efieda obemu Patrick Osajiman regularly say officer ewa no padwumedia yede ebre usintenei yehwese na niama ACL koso league na bia do no 29 matches aka less than best 5 matches na ya de league na etian saba na wie wo hwe officiating ene sena niama Asia koso a ya na enye anika e wo sena league na Asia kurum Patrick Osajiman Songo good morning Patrick Osajiman countryman Songo e wo line so na fe ye hwe sena niama esitie e wo Ghana Premier League na week 29 hello Patrick hello Songo hello fireman.
Well, but you to make me too, Kasa.
I feel me too. Bibi I record here.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now you're 29.
Otiminka.
I'm a
Well, hello, Wallace Otiminka.
I'm a tunka pa.
Otiminka.
I'm a tunka.
Okay, all right, fantastic. Mecca said this is the first edition of Fireman. My friend said time was Songo State. Or Agu Kenzimu and on Pepiawo Badwam. That is Mondays from 6:30, Wednesday 6:30, then also Fridays 6:30. More fire. Fantastic. We at Songo State or Badwam, that is Agu Kenziano pay. Memo Bibia Aquaba Ediba Adom TV. Measure your league matches so far, your ball Ghana, I say, you understand? You a free a year Mrofono and see you free Mrofono. How well and you to me a year your football year. Your super fantastic league. Your league matches are the likes of Kotoko, House of Folk, Mediama, other teams in Diana, Omuna, participate and I say, Omo Ebo. And then I'm perceiving how professional you're running a year league because you so far 5 matches and a day at a year league a year, but out Yatuni super fantastic league. Ghana. Now, minimally say, league, most of the time that competitiveness. Say, I mean, bobo. Now, obia a year no fairness, a world league in the and no, say, pay for the FNO activity woman no more extra because when we share other countries, they say Germany, England, more, you woman. I be Ocean League, Utumu say very competitive. Sebani said near all winning league. Ni auto sumi, no auto sumi, say top 4 be no more designer. They make sure say that top 4 no teams no obiawo adi si na niswa all fighting for a year season, you know. You understand? Teams so are almost relegation. Omo team amomo modia, omo the lower division. No, it should be based on merit. Team ni nyadia or nyadia. And yes, ye league say be we toss we Henry, we in division 1 and I say lower division. Now obi in free that division now by way of say football ye or Ghana no ye the aqua to say ye and ye football no ye ma and go for and winning based on merit. And I see a man go for based on merit. To me, ma woman based on merit, but rather akwesi ye pushi omu no okom no follow we league matches omu boa near all winning no crown on fun easy because ebia no be re after that time no nipa no ni chia obe me gitu also obo very competitive no timi ai dey ahye no and that spirit na or say you pay for no ehwe we league them ye officiating senior because I got 5 matches no person Ghana league you know a person Ghana league near our person on so a force so overcome on Reno on so person of force say on your day on we but Oshe senior it's the corner acquired to say teams no where your madam for minimum paying for women in charge women are organizing league it won't person women a tournament women are edgy women free no and yadia the best because you could see a deal of no for the war. Or see it to me, it's your deal. You're quite England is here. Asna, any city, send woman, it's your premise to us, is a city. Ababidi, Asna, and him kind with just 1 point for war, game in hand. Ohe, Omomo, struggle so move championship back, and I'll become so premiership now, England. In wedding, I will be any ability, very competitive. And then, yes, we could share with us. Team win am Nenwo league in my team channel and I'm team one to my woman. No, near all no crown, Oshia City, no Besha City or Beshano. Oshia Asna, no Besha Asna or Besha Asna. Remember, Southampton, now we are no pool Asna, today 1 over England, but Asna for so and we are today 3. On your point from a year Asna, but no could be any say done deal at the man Asna and in equal you know. Football, a quiet down deal, I can say, competitiveness, no, Mabo, I will be able to say yes, my hidden home, and I met my day. I think, no point for the structure. Send your system, no, it's here, put 2 things together, that competitiveness. It say, football people, so called football people. Football, no, Musia, Namuya, Namu ye, Moko, other countries, no, Namu share. Send Musi yellow, German system, English system, send Musi yellow, no cribby Mudino, and then also your FNU, so called football people, Omutri, a more attention call, nobody develop your football because only league matches here, we are. I got 5 matches also determine your which me win here. It looks like two giants na ankasa kwana ye fi so mbitimi no ayedin dia wo kotoko house of book but oche the lives of Mediama, the lives of Adriana. I mean omo ewo picture ni mo fight very hard so mbitimi ade agile and enyanwa bechem so born homody ye pa and with this you make sure competitiveness no ho and yes will meet me in league media me jam ho ama we aseme ana we abo e de aseme me jam ho the points na ma we no and no say so football people feel many no more football that fairness no say no the spirit of the game no or say you that strong or say you fair no yet me who say you not correct champion you not teams who me correct next season omo league no ama league na fantastic woman team no ya relegate omo fairness omo ye dey omo ko iti say organize league na say who sua free England and I say Germany you have to make sure say obey the right thing no omo ye no omo sua and I say no omo ya right ma German league ni koso English Premiership ni koso amanfo nyina hwe we as nyina no you learn the same, which not the same. Now also the papa no why you need am also the no I fantastic and it is Ghana the na akwa to say the babe and the 5 more matches to do. Now I mean who the spiritness of competitiveness say who the spirit say among for any see a ball even my rekrana Michiano ya person or the liga may them on one channel was who marine tea that's who match with the obeti yes we were able. Yes, we were dealing with the Mongosa. It doesn't help. It would not so-called football people. If you know, make sure women will league to make sure say league no. A bit me sorry no. Sani umawini ejina. Uma kasa professionalism. Sani umesua adie no umesua adini. No ma implement ya adie no ma implementing ye. Na ye jai that spirit of fairness na anyone no. Or see a giant, or see a mother spirit of fairness, no say competitiveness, no. It's me, but because over ye league Africa, ye teams no Africa competitions and as a championship. Omo money CAF Champions League and the Confederations Cup. Ye Ghana teams now will be to me money for so many years now. Kotoko has Mudi, I had the other teams no so omuba fight here for Krana. The Mediama money, and they have the chance in which my league, you know. It is hard competitiveness, no. And I may hope you said be with me. I believe say me any colleague no even world champions, must next season, no, and must fatano, me a few officiating also Arsenal City will be any abridging here, Arsenal, or the league. Also referee but it was fair. It was I didn't feel more for no fairness way. No be at me up on I hope say Yami Adoma Ebetuaso Songo Steak the piano pebia that is 6:30 Mondays Yami Adoma Wednesday 6:30 Friday 6:30 Songo Steak ewo Agukensium Badwam politics Adom TV so Songo taking on and as a Songo taking on Monta Ebede Ebeka now be beat me either a containty. Make us enjoy your holiday and fabulous morning and come over be a Professor E.K. Wallace.
Songo steak and I'll say Patrick Osage, my countryman Songo, say already the first edition 18 Sabanyami Adoma, Ukwada Basanti and Kana Fifia Danso, Yasa Amo, AS and Yama Asia Co, or a good year Muntiwe so, and a Mijina Namidi and so can see on Senpai Sakan and Opensu Ejao. Chanusmam say 1x bet at China Fiji fast Mr. Subo Chidom and a sending more gel and Rodon, your ultimate pain relieving gel, O Madama, woman attached to woman and Opensu, there can see on Senpai Sakano, it's me, a bro, meeting the Enoch. Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudi catch back up and I'm jinemu na mede agokensi nkomo no etimi ebro yeso yesu die na ese me hu se boatema e wala so ntianchi bia na ese nkoma wodo aka wachi no ana yede ebro. The act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.
Mama kwa ba biem emfa emra begam dwumadie eso ebre du se ye be hwe ya pomde ho ensem kwan be fa so be toto no na ye wo fie na ye di adwumefo eda kese wo be nya se ye be ye ho aduro sna be ye frɛ o kire ko ne ye kɔ adwuma ye be kɔ na hoden so be de akwasi ensia mensa aka Dr. Isaac Ewaha from Star Health Clinic ewa ni mabedi enkomo na yare kwa betimi afa so abo be be ye de enkomo no efa ye se fibroid yade yade a edi ebibima enyapa bara se hwimu abetodwa me ya se emme wo abibrem enya fibroid echen abrofo ma edi entia ye dwiane a ye di ye lifestyle anase eyede doctor bokode
nyame adaroma
ma happy workers day so.
Thank you.
Star Health is a
hoboko.
Ere miasi.
Hoboko pa.
Ere miasi. Yema modwumefo nyina so afihyiapa.
That's right.
Nyemo mabaso wo adwumade amoye edema oman Ghana.
That's right.
Ghana eniso nyemo ye edibai. Dr. me hwe fibroid. What the catch mu over the years amiatias adekora eye. But I say ma hu hwemu bia se eya kame se emma ewo abibrem. Fibroid ye ma eye mema de but emma nya no.
Emma nya.
Yeah.
Emma nko anya.
Okay.
Good.
Eti ase akwakoye se emma na ewo abibrem no. Enya ne dodo.
Good.
Ade.
Amenchi ahwefo nyina. Na ende no discussion we ebebo oba bia empo bema awaware ana ochina na obeware ozokura beboa because obetimi aboa na wasi enema bia no kwan ewo yire awaware no ana obeware no eho ana se utie na wanya fibroid what to say yes wanya fibroid pain a jade oye bia the tie we very attentively na fa afutu ayede mai na enkoboa we pa yehwe wiase nyina African women na yeko America honom na yeta record cases bebre a African women ene tanya yare fibroid and say black Americans no omono munya fibroid yare no bebre and over the years questions bebre about who and researchers bebre so and akoso and just recently I dare say your team here our America the omoye say they investigate and do more researches about Arabia aba then na the way out no omode aba that is the American Journal of Epidemiology and just recently almost started research be 2012 and last year December no 2022 and we release findings now omanya and the findings would say the anti African women enya fibroid yare ana awudie mu yare enya fibroid nko say ye endometriosis say ye oba ne menses na emma yi ana emma kra enso no ndu menopause awudie mu yare ahodo ovarian cyst num nyina no research ni beda di me be hu say oba ode hair relaxer eye niti eye prone to getting awudie mu yare bebre
enkuya de twi yetie
enkuya de twi yetie
eye enku bi ana se ye was specific enema bi ye wo enku bi mu a ekofa sare ne ba
enku bi a oba de ye niti e de twi niti de relaxing niti de styling niti e de straightening niti eboa e ma oba develop awodie mu yare bebre e twetwe aso ye pa
wow
the reason being that is that enku na ma de twi omuti no formulation no your chemical biome I am friend of phthalate APHTHALAT and I use also phthalate and so phthalate in the area ne say a blockade oba ne endocrine system no endocrine system ne glands are secrete hormones hormones ne na betimi aboa say oba bebu ne nsa hormones corona na be regulate so oba no beto kosua hormones corona na be regulate so oba no be good mood mu obe feel for sex on feel for sex if I what hormones corona na dis adwuma ni nyina nti now ekobasa gland na a secrete hormone no I can endocrine system ne ho no use relaxer e de ye uti ana otwe uti a block endocrine system no and man insecurity hormones ni biom ana security kra enye balanced e be ye basabasa
okay ponti enku na ode aye utim na ade twi no emete egu uti na se
nipadua ni nyina no
okay
nipadua no mu nyina no skin no and the largest organ
okay
and skin no pulse ntoko kitenkete wo mu and so what the baby can skin it goes directly to your bloodstream.
Okay.
What the baby can it goes directly to your bloodstream. If what I say. Until now, obey Trinity, you know. And there says our chemical na walk hair relaxer ni nkuno mo di twom mutina e friend folate no.
Okay.
Ekọ the blood system in the bloodstream in the system no. Ekọ mo a de ya na say a disturb endocrine system no.
Okay.
Security hormones. Ama hormones na regulate oba nsa buo, a regulate oba so bebu ne nsa yie, se oba no obetokosua, se oba no betimi afa nyinsan. Saa ne mani nyina no, ade se folate no ko disturb hormones e was a security na regulate those things no. Nti eba na sa wo oba kro no, ade se obetime develop our demuyare easily because yeah discuss a fibroid some time ago no.
Okay.
You can say fibroid no mostly say ebe appear na ebe grow no. Idea say oba ni hormones no and they responsible say obetime abenya fibroid.
Okay.
Nti akoba say hormones ni imbalance da.
Yeah.
Akobro so in a way that is why your fibroid eba. And now ade ba ko ebo ama hormones ni imbalanced. A hair relaxer chemical na woman mad tree omuti. That is one.
Dr. Benedict. Because a man so omuja omuti twa bebre ahofe e beto form.
The woman say within the whole year no nka oba betwiniti a watwe abro so I shouldn't be more than 6 or 7 times. The whole year from January to December.
Okay.
So oba betwiniti a oba use relaxer on it here.
Okay.
And can say bro 6 or 7 times in the whole year.
In the whole 365 days.
Say a bro say 6 or 7 times. A bro so a very common and very logic. And Dr. Nibiati and Yanwa so be develop here with the muyari BT7 fibroid.
Okay.
Ovarian cyst, polycystic ovarian syndrome.
Okay. But only more question maybe about my number ne na obi manimuso.
Fa number we
okay
na enkomo no yentimi eninto aso na bra ye branch ben wo ye branches no ebi wo kasoa akwele Utah City ho a ebi nso so wo Kumase ejo so kwa mo for junction ho no mo a ebi nso wo sunyane fiapre ye ben bebi a first na GN bank e wo na ho ane wo e na doma hinkros ye wo SS japekrum ye wo japekrum fitem ho fa number we na ye mo enkomo no nto aso number ba frɛ na obinya Star Health Clinic no 0249 200 555. Missing number is 0249 200 555.
555. It's the last 5 near 3.
That's right.
0249 200 555. With the number, frame. 80 says in the Ekakuro say, Yami, you natural hair no home.
I say, the entire bro from Madam Munya bin and say, or Moon Chum with you. Debut. Hey, I bring you by Trinity. African, person Trinity, now quite to say Bruni by Trinity. On sudden, it's unity and style and a cake. Okay. On Trinity, on you so relaxer, on Trinity. Okay. And this Africans, you be who said ye na ya boye bra bo said was a boy. Yes, you better dodge animal when I hope so good to do the firm when you're here. I know the energy. Good to you drunk as okay. I met him in Pufu. Come apart with okay. Doctor, you mentioned will be a near no pay. Sir holiday in Kiantanefia hate Adom TV and Kaya Hopa. It's Yensia and from number no last one be number we. Na yembon command to us 0249 200 555 na emma ro fi say Star Health Clinic yene fibroid expert no without surgery any it me treat you fiber no abrase kan bi anka en chance so britia wa bi na we wie and you know and enya wo de mu yawe ene awo ho nsem nko an ye yawe ahodo ni nyina
frɛ number no
obai betimi aboa fa number no na frɛ na ye director ma branch ben o na ye mbo yi pa
okay and Star Health Clinic na mo se no mo etwe enkomo no nti yesua bibi e de efri mo be yidi se onso betu anamo e wo ho frɛ number no se sie ne doctor eni enkomo hwewei yano eba betwe ekumaka cho sem se eba homeopathy afo ni enkyere ba bia omo na etiase wosua akọ ho amono ne edisua nyina ama abrofo age omo atomu a omo no mo eye adwuma Dr. Fishapa
opening us a fin commentary
my happy workers day
many happy workers
uru adwuma fo nyina masepa ne mo amode eboa Ghana adehie Livoton ana memode ye
no.
Livoton liver tonic. Eh, I didn't know.
Yo, me da say, maminfa eye nchia kese ema eye ahwefo na multimedia edwumanfo na memomu na ayiko and especially me ankasa me oman hene the president of the Central Regional House of Chiefs and oman hene of Breman Traditional Council and Senra ye lanche Odrea Festival ewo Esikuma or therefore amwekwa buedu otoso awotwe the presidents of the Central Regional House of Chinana memawache and the anapene AOB Esikuma dobembra ko edwumayefo ekwa efo edwumayefo na memamu na afishiapa no crasem ni say ye can anything that has to do with liver no
okay
na yehwe yarea dominate yemman mu ya yebeka say hepatitis na hepatitis no ewo kwanya liver no brebo no ne bobel ete na ne normal structure no enka brownish and smooth in nature
okay
na netini say edu baby a me say ahwefo ni bibi a ye frɛ no say pompoja o share the brebo no ne normal smooth brownish color no a sign ebobo te say pompoja eye unse pompoja be an say bibi ti una say ehya ubehu ana ebi so ahye ewo ne ho na afida ye nketen na form round
sure
sa na etume eto brebo no
okay
nti na brebo na bobo se impompoja nti ho ne yebeka se inflammation of the liver na che se wenya hepatitis na hepatitis no ye omu ahodo ye wo hepatitis A B C D and E na no kra asem ne se the B no hepatitis B no contracted one particular virus yebeka say hepatitis B virus
okay
na virus no affect brebo na sometimes be wo ho there must sometime man ye dangerous and say enta monkai and now untumi hu which of the types say be wo the C
okay
ubetumi anum nsuo nya hepatitis ubetumi edidi enya hepatitis out of eduane na wudi
eduane ni nsuo a wonnom
no all depends on the time ni wo A type you will B type you will C type but globally no and especially over Ghana ha the more dangerous part no B and C
okay
but ubebisasa ubesi de hu this particular type
okay
unso bi wo ha odware wi na ase ne ho keka no odware wi na ne ho keka no obi wa se ne numu ye no nyono like ne numu asin ne numu ye no nyono obi so wo ha o hwe ne nikosua na aye yellowish na ne skin na nkasa so tun se ase aye yellowish na beka se wenya ye beka se jaundice no obi also a ojonso a na o hwe ne swanchi ni mu a the swanchi na very thick dark aye tum this one na it say brown no so brownish no emu pi obi so ha otin pampan ewo ne junso ni mu
okay
ena obi so ho a te se odidi kakra bia na aduane no ejina ne bo odidi kakra bia na aduane no ejina ne bo unza ne yete se aduane bia obedi bia no moja na wo hia fi na moja no it passes through this particular liver until when the liver na honhom e inflamed no pathway a moja no ebe femu no into me femu and obi so ho a ne de no like for so many years yare baako we chinya fedra se oyare na se ofedro na se hontowa it's not always so be a edro no na den angel oye further research bachelor will say and say obrebo no edro bia obenom no brebo no na efa edro no na ede ayaresa ebre wo nipadua nti if say a problem with the brebo na and fa hu ni edro obefa wa asase so no matter how best the drug is no enya ade a obenya apomudin
ena matia say the nti amota bodewro say bibia kra nyewa to fa hospital na doctor for show ni pedwem kakra.
That's right.
Because o tu obeda hu say brebo no ho aka because we say metie me ya manum painkiller bi and so still enko me num nsuo me ye exercise so it could be say aduro de wo nom but ye beji aduro de yin pedwe no adwuma no issue wo ho it enti bi fa aduro no nya adwuma se ni pedwe no hia no. That's
right. And nothing as C4C pharmaceutical company ya sheda ko oman India and na ya ko formulate C4C liver tonic.
Okay.
Na we tonic a uhia whether say oyare o onyare o bra oba na ye de auto machine so a ye be check obrebo no ne bobel na ye hu baby a ne function wa na ye hu dosage of this particular liver tonic no nia obefa ebe yeye ena se biso a oye unze ohwe liver tonic in one kasa
it's another TV nation
unze ya tro say a complete liver tonic and has over 500 functions.
Wow.
Over 500 functions. Edrobakui say liver tonic and yes brebo no so and only the largest internal organ. The functions of the liver no is internally no so same honama kwa wa aka ewo ni pedue ni mo enso no as in the large the small intestine the spleen the gallbladder the kidney and all that liver no ahon den ene ni dwumedie no dawson enti na wo behia liver tonic no so esan one sha obegin say bia orthodox drug and I say chemically made but we purely homeopathic drug.
Wow.
Food and Drugs Authority ajia tuma ye dia ba Ghana ha under C4C pharmacy. And I will share bottle no so be say C4C pharmacy e was so. Well customized formulated. Enyenwe de.
Okay.
Intende akola kra the way me share we num no we enye edrobe nkwa na ye ta ye heba ohu
heba bunya
heba me say me num heba le deda
especially malaria de no
de ena about to no so ebi de na ebi so ye yeah but we homeopathic drug liver tonic dani day na wo hia ewo ho na wo so a wo yare pa me se nka ye hwe na ya boye bre bo ho ban a nka be den se ye beta ayare cause brebo no na ye be ka se the internal soldier ekon e de boye ho ban ewo ye dani da asitina yimu. And answer now benya any form of infection or baby or ha infection back we chinya fa hu edra sa one try a dro so ayenom especially the chemically made ones no affected brebo no the more a wu no me dro a obrebo no resist na e brebo na one den ase eno nti na ya meta kasetia se bia obeti se obebi nkoye na wankasa ba ko drugstore kona ko hu doctor enye in-depth diagnosis non chiro say e draw we na beboa so doctor ma we draw na say still on boa enunti na specialized hospitals to say C4C hospital ewo ho no na yetumi aboa into liver tonic ade a ya formulate and there o ma kola enufu se bia unyinsenyo se say obia to me efa the complete C4C liver tonic ye be test case kakra ewo man Ghana inti ye run it out dre bagana ha enche the whole world Europe any India pe and obenya this particular way inti ye sankra o C4C pharmacy a unya bi o pharmacy bia ena unya bia so enye homeopathic clinic bia na use homeopathic pharmaceutical product only C4C and a Food and Drugs Authority are registered different condition bia no ye wo edura ye dey eboa
my number no na it me afre
me pacho C4C ayarsabia and the holiday ye ejuma ejuma efo nyina ye branches ninia ye ejuma 7 am and in 5 pm na ya sormi ankasa so me free ha me ko Adenta SDA junction akwa kotenase ede ma honde akwa kota Dr. Esiama ne Dr. Adley nto ba sisi Adenta obeba aba betumi all our branches too we are working ewo ho your number no 050 00 40 331 ewo screen so as ubetumi atro 050 00 40 331 and I say 328 05040 328 05040 331 and I say 328 so first 20 callers are mobile free and the pet and the holiday no and quadie ye be ma 50%.
Wow.
After and then no dear me pacho unya this package no ewo C4C condition bia no ye ho C4C homeopathic pharmaceutical product ye de aba international homeopathic pharmacopoeia agia tumwa ye de ye adwuma ewo bebia
doctor chiraba severa se
openika se
chira ne wadwuma pa mobo de boa o my God ebe so na ye de ahosepa dwumadi ato aso de abadwam enie
sa edwumane aye kombazi de wa edwumane aye no kwa na nkenye shama sabu location kakra osande zotinge de ihu ye TV do bebre na ye jodo na ye kasa na etoto ye nsa na azemasa one more ye edwumane lo we chi ye hu an inti no mjina hade ya mepede ye appreciate one more ye edwumane nkasa enwonya ya no ma ye kasa by heart no mreka ho no ma wo we chi na wo ye edwuma no da mo nkofo no na mepede ye appreciate one mrekire directors producers camera phone no control high control room nti no ehwa me nsa hade ya ye me producer Sandra Sana Akapo and what edwuma jumdu de edwuma ye ma me boatuma okay nti no say you Sandra Akapo a oni na lo popular papa na so no Sandra me pede waran kasa ekire abedwuma na wo fie hade me ye producer okay me ye production assistant zo kodo wa hanyina mo boss for ho nti zo mo boss ba kara menya no na meye okay but me pede cheche we adwuma na se ye ma obi a bi on to producers no ota se ye awu na ye dan na ze nchene ba anada awu na ze tomato cheche ma se kakwa
nti zebo ho TV du ba memfande bedwuma ho sepem ye show bi am produce nti zebe ho TV do nyina no menya wo na ye bom na ye dwendwen ho yezi bibia be hyehyɛ mi nyina ha nti ze hu bia no ye kada obi producer ono na odi bibia bobobom yen ye dey yen fa we ntodo yen fa we mbra mehye we ni nyina ye producer na asage de obe ni nyina nti production na
no na edwuma ze ebu edwuma ankasa nyame inhyira obebre na raba edwuma na ye no wonyu agye ho ze
oh yes say Monday juma me yanko holiday ankamada okay but Monday juma na pa intina so matina hu
upe so the bozen inti na ho asamara nye de mo tara nye na mpocho what roden
Randolph
okay inti no awa be juma in your control room hade
okay me a production assistant in charge of graphics any other thing my boss will tell me to do yeah TV be am boss be kasa menya no
Eje na nyimde ebotum na aye adwuma agisika na adwuma na eye no so wa be adwuma bi papa ntimpede mu na adwuma ye adwuma wonyu agye ho ana onchele bi fiade na afa be foforo so
adwuma manage ho yeah manage ho pa
na what challenge kesepa we adwuma ho ono nyabaze.
There are a lot of challenges though, but I'm not sorry in the cajon. Yes, I'm not sorry in the cajon. That's the major something I'll talk about, but the other rest I'll just leave it. Yeah.
Now or entertainment show and winter no to the beer or sade ye be someone then one of favorite artists is the Dutch Henny. Nana yaw binyim dache hena enyim no TV do said ye tie ne no so no or some so or a reporter kesepa wo fie hade apart from that no e bo short no computer chilo miemia dot na ze no ozama to don chocho na ze ne do dache na abazeli
sorry edwuma no so on say multimedia so multi-talented we edwuma bebre na but oba bedwam so dia production assistant in charge of supervision.
Position in the power production
assistant in charge of supervision.
Okay.
Nti oba bedwe musudia de ekoso ha nyina me boss ampedu webek oni ho a me na me gina hwe akire ni ade nyina hwe se adwuma no bibia bekoso obia bedi ni time so ni ade but me boss wo ho a odo na oye onse se ono ye be supervisor ba odin ko ame na me hwe akire jo ha idea ono na che se ohwe bibia ma bibia ekoso tebia Sandra wa manten wa ele tebia content bi wo se ko ni ade na nkwa ono na o instruct production ma bibia ekoso nti TV so no ono amfa wan to so a say bia wo say no onzo on na de to say wan for wan to so a de o kan nyina agu akire nti se adwuma na ye hwe ye wa akire kama ba
Yami inshiro piao na bossu ke nanala or had no bossu supervisors of all the supervisors in Badwam show the wire son kokra because they are a feature no the almighty Welbeck Kofi Ampedu and pay Ejuma no oyampa
pa
Nimu yedo.
Was my year, Edumani.
It's a Edumana, the radio.
A radini, Edumaniana. So, Edumanazuna, or you ye.
Now, Welbeck, Edumayan for how many years?
My end for 17 years, but. 12 years or multimedia. And then the day I Miura has it 12th year and then 12 years.
Osmosis for when Bonsam Welbeck. Welbeck, what did you make? Papa.
Any above.
Esho Witchera, Azukra, Iwa, Omgunwaji, Pade for the Midway.
Yeah, the fact that you are able to use your skill to impact a lot of lives. Obi ho no ma me hwe enkrofo a ye di show yi aboa omo Adom TV etimi aboa omo enkrofo a na school fees Adom TV timi boa raise school fees enkrofo e yare yetimi ede Adom TV platform Badwam platform yi etimi raise sika amasa enkrofo no. The essence of TV is touching lives. And this old to me e use show bi to say Badwam. Now over the years, okopanda ene adiade owaka obi oni snake serum, just say all the big things that we have been able to do is about people, and Adom TV is about people. And you know, the way I see attach lives, and my most adia mesha ema manage.
Painter, tanazu ogom. Tanazo ufie nyim medwuma biala ye biara odze ezibone so pondu biara no msde ayuko na mewra sound for one ha day na na nyabutalanso Badwam studio ifom honom na baby yegina nhehye why wona ze wonya wo kofi bi won wo from one set for one no was a medwuma no na mebo kokro ha piero.
Yes.
Na apome.
Nyame de achemi.
Yo, nsa meka de edwuma na agido de edwuma ye edwuma.
Edwuma ye.
Edwuma no ye papa.
O ye de. Edwuma no ye de.
Ese kire wo.
O ye de because be ma do wan ye edwuma. ɛkɔm na ɛbɛdɔ yere ne wo manti so nyame amade akyɛ na obi nso ebie adwuma na wafa wo de a oya
ampa na adwuma no aya akyere ze
almost 13 years ni 13 years
osimo onye nye na adwuma ntimire ba yina fi interviews mo sando osimo na adwuma nyi da oba ya sound ntima nkele kande no nko olubom so adwuma na aya akyere papa na ehwe wechira abazo na beka de proud of the started the adwuma wa ha de etuma ye
we know this niametimi de minsa esimi bonu se mi ye adwuma wa metima to asase wo mu so eno nkoto de medanya mi ase
wow ye adwuma na PRO wa ta asase ye adwuma ate na PRO nyame hiro na ontunkom na omo wa honzen na adwuma no ye na ye ne ye ma mo fa osimo so na megene ka na the famous osimo mbo sound no mbo osimo na clapping away
clapping no eno
but clapping no no
and then we pia to mama no
osmosis no ya clapping all the clapping in this house
oh me didn't know osmosis but my full name ne Camillus Isaac Mauto Abochi Kumi. That is my name.
Mental wasn't that. Isn't it a drop papa? Into the use of small ya nature the no short in home. Na Ejuma Wahade. Yes, so the Juma Wahade from a phone apart from clapping. Okay,
okay. Ejuma Gasha Maya was and say, on the Casa now to Tuesday, say, as a me and I'm a moati. Don't you rag now? I say now. The one anopasini and to buy or send me the mic in the mount to Casa beer or say Bahasi. Into Bahasi, then me money yet. Into there before here, now call me here, until I call me here before Wolf ye. And the Juma Gasa, a Juma Cas Potamia was and he said, phone calls any a number and a Casa about TV, Ninia Hasi de Fansa, Mina meeting Juma Hasi.
No, osmosis mono ejuma ni osmo nyame hiro why no mo ahoze na tum na ejuma no na Sherry Mesa Sherry in the year wo birthday in the year wa woda jiwenyu sonko jiwenyu baby biara wo biara Sherry Mesa happy birthday sonko uncommon tira ma catch on ejuma no say if you had e ba had ya nyipa bebre wa had control for no so master control room for no I had na final output no on mebo technical funi bi wa hade tio o wa hade camera fo ha wor dodge was zemika and as a one pe camera e wa one pe do bobam but one so na was yana to do one way adwuma na wo fi hade na technical hey brother wala bozin na che position e wa adwuma hade
okay if I'm to Flosawa broadcast engineer
Jende mam wo float to floors there in silver
Patwine
ya bedwuma ofia
broadcast engineer
ono so nya baze
bibia fa edwuma no ho bia no yeah basically for you to go on there you need a broadcast engineer yeah
na young nti edwuma aya acheze
not too long yeah what system ni mo check aka maybe almost 5 years
able to one what's that like young people for the one for who share edwuma mana.
Oh yeah, for that one is very necessary. I will say, oh yeah, BBI. I will say the passion, loyalty, so it's very necessary. Yeah.
Ate, yami show bebe no more ones na koduye ejuma no ate. Na self-acclaimed manager. So wahade self-acclaimed manager. What's that name?
Yami Adom.
Okay. Na I wanna ya be ejuma ofia de, but we no so come home.
Yeah, from Albert, me a camera technician. Now multimedia say.
Albert no oninyi na camera adwuma no ye bibia wonwa je ho papa
te camera adwuma no ni passion a untumi nye ni nyina na creative work but ni nyina you say passion count so with your creativity and passion obetumi aye nyama bebrenti eno na e kan bom na de ye camera adwuma no
see adwuma na ya chara
well 5 years experience so
no ebunde fiade young people wa hapa wo ye juma zan dem roba ya wo benye ziban si hono pono do na wa so baby biara wo biara uncle pocho mama nyo wonkasa because ehwe mfiro wo hede na mfiri no do so papa but o the one na takun wo ho pocho wo frauden
me the Richmond
na Richmond abejuma na wo hade
Me MCR technician. Which is the master control room.
Okay. Say ka master control room on your one me.
Ayen na se feed ni nyina me fan the control rooms ni nyina ye programs ni nyina baha. Ansa na ya broadcast dako e ama wan.
Nti no oyedwuma yezempa.
Oh. Sometimes emu yedin oju time bi so a I normal.
What challenge kase kropa with them higher?
The challenge o hanu ni se feed ni ebi won ma feed ni bi beba. Be fi outside beba na a friend then. Some breakages kinkiti boom. In the all the ma oko air my problems.
Nti no the most stress na for me na so still adwuma na ye.
Ani. Sa
Nti no baby biara wo biara adwuma biara eru ye biara me appreciate o. Me appreciate you papa nyame show mo wa hoz and the workers day etna fie dwendwono ho adwuma na ye no be ga na dan be adwuma no wa ye boko ho dan ma adwuma no wa ye nti no ye no ye ne ye so na chokon no crashes bills unsa bosom biara no ye na ye ne ye Jonas happy birthday uncle mo the marathon na Mrs. Sarah Bekwe Saturday e wa woda happy birthday mo wish woda maati Indeed, no has a marangan. Ma, Yancha Yanasaka cry, I was a page messaging.
More Adom TV, so here live on Facebook, Samsung, Ocean so our YouTube. Ubejabe so actually our DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. And so we here live, and so our meeting the acquisition Sebra ready say Yebedim Komokasi no Ankasa on Benjamin Yafana Second Koma Franco Trading Enterprise. They be a as a phone papa pad and a juice and a was say iPhone, Samsung, Nokia and our pa. Near channel the boy ever from area mao a year. Franco Trading Enterprise for area shamo a one cry kumasi tema. And a mia I would do in a phrase 0246 422 338 0246 422 338. Mr. Kaisi of Franco Air Condition so. Ni ebebo ye de ma na entwe karen bebre nkofaka emma ni nyina Franco Trading Enterprise Safari Tissue eni makacho sesebi COVID-19 yade etwe ne teso obi agya handkerchief use no obi yade adwuma eye tissue enye bia so na betim dia fa wanim ohia Safari Tissue isa se ne mo edru o de bepo wanim a entity enko wanim Ghana ba bia eton tissue bia kwaunsa ebeka bi ato Richoko anapatututu no atwa hyehyehye yakase kokko ne yade aye ede pa on motim so wanya hode mu ahoden ebe boa mo otimi ejina na so be se opeso tu kwankwa abrochire na akosua de a eye Zest Consult de jomana boy the phrase here 0555 631 633 Zest Consult katam so opeso chire IELTS SAT na FGRE obeboa mo nya scholarship e UK ni US ana akosua de utonfia na so opeso otofie nso a Zest Consult be de udwuma edma ade ama so ajme na so asene emiede pensemu eto so area medin de akwesi esi apani na pani ne etwen kumo fortunate for us and SI made a no say Deputy Minister for Employment and Labor Relations why former MP for Akwatia ene baby odeni echre eye Ayawaso East constituency in the Greater Accra region leading ere Baba Jama Baba Fishapa
I think commentary
MZ after a country crying share.
In share. Yeah, more official, papa. But my phone in official.
It does. Yeah, I also is Bocodier.
Oh, let me do a hoboko. MZ. Send your kind. I was today. Yes. Na menoka say. Bibia dedi yenti atinka boni bia
yede yamiase
pa boni ebo se yankopo mbe Adom na on the 13th no ebe kwa kotuaba
okay
awasumjem for the first time Ayawaso has not been flagged as a danger area the peace about
sure
was the mripi no before me call crown was any time by elections they want me flag it I mean, okay, say, flag Ayawaso East as a danger zone.
Okay.
So kyerɛ sɛ asomdwe wɔ hɔ. Okay. Na yɛ campaign obiara yɛ nipa mmiɛnsa na yɛ stande obiara yɛ ne campaign wɔ asomdwe mu. So far so good. Nti ni yɛbɛsɛ nyame sɛ na yɛkutakuta mu no. Ɔde yɛn bɛkɔ abatoro no. Na nea Nyankopɔn ankasa asra no ngo no. Obɛyi na ama ayɛ aso isfo. Na edwuma a ɔsɛ yɛ ma de so mamamfo no. Yɛde aso.
Akomchiri ya we bi a woka ayewa is not what dream ma so ani ma asem ne yeken as the culture said this time CM flagging as one of the hot spots e wo election ye komu a e kire wadwumade ampanifo wo fom aye ene ahofa ma amanfo ete sampotem wo nyina age atom said this time de ye ntonko so me nka se mfa ho saada bia saada ni ma asem ne yeken enti ye kan na wadwen abaso baba akomchiri wo nyame ala edi enkomo when we saw what said here after the efa akansi awuko o se kwan dem obetimi akọ
oh Nyankopon ama ya tiase se on sesa wabrabo tire wa bibia fa ho waka o Qur'an mu se la yugayiru ma bikam hatta yugayiru bi nafsihi onu Nyankopon on sesa ankrofo announce sa ankrofo omakwan anani hiam on sisa no kire wa wotu anamo ayeden se opese wosisa
okay
no Nyankopon ayeden aboa enti ese osoroboa no boa no enti sene oka no edi nkotodwe akọ nyamienim ena yenso adwuma a wosie ye ohunam fim yaye this time sene yeka no ye de ensempa akoma Israel was for.
Okay.
Me sama me koinan is a message of hope. Because Israel was one of the problems is that there is so much hopelessness. People feel say a battle crown sebe yetona keke. I'm talking in terms of a battle.
Okay.
Maybe the life of the people. I'm talking in terms of a battle.
Okay.
One purpose a battle on the home, I mean menko. Oh, we would to cry the same thing. So that must say. And among for ya pa our bathroom.
Okay.
Meaning say baby sa AC. And in ye and say in some past seven grand share as some na come out more. No bien when say so to abam for so papa bet me free more about. Because the mram work with you and I could have for him. Omuhunu ni amitimi ye mfie na e de boa gro. So that must say, na me no kase, Nyame adoma kotiafo benu nsuo for 41 years. 165 million project yakofa fiteki. Sa time na company no guye no, ama kotiensuo na ye cholera. Enti me koteki na mehia nkofo bi. Ena na me no kase kotiafo no nsuo for 41 years. Nsuo na no ordin to the sense that say the kede kura kan.
Hey,
esanse akotiafo ya na papa ndi.
Okay.
Omo biem e de kokede. Enti etira akotia nkoda e farm nsem etimi call soldier police. Omo bro 100. So what must say me be a kwan ma because MP adwuma ne say wo kwan to baby a kwan now.
Sure.
Wo bie pon baby e tum. So what must say anu ne MP adwuma. Anu so na me hwe metima kan si me bo say ena godia vonso timi enkoda mitimi mawom edwumom na mo so because civil service e because national health insurance e because other place I mean have born we na me facilitate here no almost 1,000.
Okay.
So what must say it is a you can MP edwuma sebio madaroma and then say MP amount 200.
Okay.
And then say MP amount 100. And then say MP as some brabo. So I've been transforming the life of the people.
Okay.
A dear man for Nibi no odiaba. A baby a coin now, no boquin to. No young because one of the things that Easter was we hear a mentorship.
Okay.
So I must say, oh wow, most of the children no be episode to go because the road molders they see in Grofwa or bogus aba.
Yeah.
But you were doctors or you were lawyers or you were engineers or who is bringing them together to serve as role model to the children. So I must say to the upcoming children. kwada beko BEC kra you see etimi ebooma no ne no wo kasa give them some courage say uye ni ya ubetimi abedane ti say wo mu anhu no wo me special lawyers want to be omo fi nima no munyiye na me adom omo timi akọ law school we are lawyers me who doctors omo nima me who and there are too many things to be done yeah but it is about the most important constituency in Ghana.
Okay.
Mekanesa na mekanesa. When him say Jubilee House, eka Isa was. Once o ka umbo ni mangwa.
Yeah.
When him say Jubilee House kan Isa was.
Ofa kanda eho nyina.
When him say 37 military hospital eka Isa was.
Yeah.
When him say NADMO headquarters eka Isa was.
Sure.
Oka Ghana Broadcasting Corporation eka Isa was.
Yeah.
Holland Embassy, French Embassy, Czech Embassy. Ni na wo Isa was. Ye ka a constituency 5 highways etwa nwehia. Nima Highway, Kanda Highway, Jubilee Highway, Ring Road Highway, and Obasanjo Highway. Ni na etwa Isa was. It tells you how the centrality of that constituency. But one and is supposed to the potential. Look at the number of banks. Yes. Banks
that's also Ring Road cry.
The number of banks and the number of Nima Highway, the number of go to Kanda, the number of law firms are a work Kanda, a law firms. But who is leveraging those benefits? One airborne law firms we know as soon as one can't is in
fact, man, Pennycrat is Tayawaso.
The vice president, what is
the vice is
Tayawaso, Otikanda. Oh no, we not is there was but Brabhe Nima Kwai. Brabhe Nima Kruno send it. So what must I
Muni come for?
That is where the problem is.
Muni come for
leadership.
Munibi.
Oh, you were MP. And you MP send your own concerns but Sebio. You were MP mu MP. And the MP be an Sebio Kwa. Otimi beka wasam amawo. Send your cano say Isa was so up to today no. Bebre kro Isa was so not potentials are making. No nim say wo Isa was.
Yeah.
So what must say? In the French embassy omoma scholarship almost every year. Nipa hina benefiting from Nima na Kanda and Aruga. One cra.
In some land Sunesi.
The land Sunesi. So what must say? Nipa hina fi Isa was o me edmo nadmo. Nipa hina wo Isa was a sebe. Yakaso social responsibility of the institution within our rank, no? Sure. Oma Badwam in a way to say that they have given back to society. They are also money. And this is the reason why some of us are here. Now, I be the moon says, a bit of Nimcrass and Niman and Minio. Who is so be also? It's answer me didn't go be a good. I could tell you a woman there.
Okay.
No about 13 years, echo 14. You elementary, Anna, and me bring me off. Oh, Nima. Nima na me call secondary school. Nima me call sixth form, me university. Me deputy general secretary first time grana me Nima.
Now Nima. But is it first time our personal contest East Ayawaso constituency?
No, this is not the first time. In fact, in 2000, I did my move kwa gutiana. Na madam for men no sebi. E bonko si atafri.
Okay.
Ye dadam bakum. Ye share our secondary school and we were friends until his death.
Okay.
Sebi we free. And go bomb fan the currency. Ye friend no awal jara kotoko. Men ni na ye tidam bakum. No constituency secretary. 2000 unza tata mni entwaba.
Yeah.
Na wo wani abudi ni abudi ndu dinko ani abudi wani abudi. Ento no ye ni se obejina wo East was.
Okay.
Sabe mene no jina because me ware kwa no ye me abuchi ango best man.
Okay, best man.
The best man.
What be so nene contest. So na the kind it
here. Educate. Na wo se me ko try me lock over akotia.
Oh, okay.
And then ma edimi ko pie akotia. Banya sanga East was. O na sabe me cut me political tit. 1994 ye trodi.
Yeah.
Na me presiding member. Electoral commission. E wo Nima Gota. Presiding member. I will Nima Gota. Nima na me cut me political tit.
That was 1994.
1994. as far back as 1994 na o satam no say NDC ni do obi aye NDC but oman adwuma about me oman adwuma
okay na we say make so say we go fa bai ko son ko mo bi su o bai bi so it will be antiase because oh na say the baba jama kwa 1994 ko ye presiding member the Mayisi when he was a card bearer member of NDC
ona me NDC ni or about you see we NDC ni electoral commission class so to aba
yeah
but that time no me can so say 1992 no na me nye opin card bearer member
okay
na me nye opin me I became officially card bearer member of the NDC somewhere around 1996.
Oh, okay.
Na Satamana University in 1997. I think they are out and I share Badwam. Okay. But now me Madame Vo Arojarko. No concern secretary.
Okay.
The more university na me ba me na budget juma. God mazem. Enti obia onni me background no be for so na ni ma de bia o kwako gate crash o mo ntiase. O na me nyi nka o kwampo na nka me ware. Aboga bi na beje mere en ha adwen kangra o ze that am no boga na boga fo ho ahunti so
I sa jama boga fo
ina jama ya ina jama zaka na jama ndira na so
o tripping finish na abo
no abe wo anu na
baba mama mi so the way ye be kwa akoti akodi ho no nkomo wa boso kakra ne ma wide ma amanfo no amanfo se ne ma de se wo ba na se adoye ni omu ahofama ne mu a ye ntimi nto aba mfama amanfo fi se baba jama adoye ni ne mu ontimi ni yanim ese MP menim se mo wate
minya on ni dikampa no yema oman Ghana for and especially East House for anti BBS
okay
that's ma o kan fi efa East House for no ya o pese o kire ni say East House for the one more music or montomo.
Sana yesi ekoso.
But sebi. And when me pese me among phone say obi ka sa kire wa yew.
But what's
oh Martin bebre and ye guso ebie amamfo ni.
Okay.
Se man tra no obi meka tro se meto vote and we are mouse ka ho ntro ba. That is sebi obo ade bo wo ma wadwen no that is wadwen no. Sebi o na wan fine adwuma. Me makachira amamfo oh say na akoye amamre akoye bibi say traditional oko delegates wa sabi ubama omunsu
sure
ade bia me baba jama me de bama no eya chede
okay
enyina so nkasa wo tro aba oyesa na wa kire se mato wadwen enyina so sa hwe nipa miensa na ejina no wan ne bitima ejuma no obi akonfie dumienu ontimi mfa nsan kire bibi titiri so konso eno so no ze we mi na me na we mi na me obi nso afi no oba
yeah
we are not in for experiment yen konko matra makwe baba jama onze me kwa me katro mse me no na afi na me be katro se so me hwo me ma bindada e be kana shikeke
okay
because training bia wo se minya no na me adomanya
okay
so woka me started me politics student politics e wonima and me wo University of Ghana
yeah
me local NUCS president me be local NUCS coordinating secretary so what must
yeah
and only one of the hottest contests amakope coordinating secretary of Cape Coast NUCS for munim what I mean so what must
yeah
me co Africa as Australian African Student Council na me a member me free ho say wo ka party worker my from branch level up to deputy general secretary 2 terms so what must say ye come minister so my deputy minister for 8 years in 5 ministries so what must say and so finally oka parliament am ko parliament 4 years
okay
so there's no any aspect of politics minti see that
okay
na me ado me sign a lawyer and is about mranso
okay
sabio metimi ayede akire me bobre ho
sure
enti training bia wo se minya no as sabi as to be a leader no inside mensaka
yeah
enti nya fe na me ka se mon try me hwe ne mestra mo no se mestra isa also for no se ombem den omdo omkoko muti ekwa ka me hye
baba na wodwane free akwatia
me nwane me na me se me nkobi
aden
ne dikan akwatia no me koe no unse me che kwan mu kakra because na akwatia fo bi kura full say ya impose me omuso because me free nima na all of a sudden ya bu me din akwatia
okay
so admaze and me some few even resistance a buy
within the party
of course within the party enti me kwa akwatia no so no oh me ntimi ntwa ontro me ye juma wo se MP bia eye
okay
and next akwatia fo no nsuo pa ifi baba jama akwatia fo denjambo district baba jama akwatia fo e block water cross baba jama akwatia fo village bia nipa 200 wo omu nsuo omu num potable water either a borehole or electric borehole ni na me electric borehole boreholes go 42 all villages
it one man crofo day a more personal interest a push you ama pa na manfo wa kwa benya no abom
mama nchira wase
okay
so no me yimeyem esuma kwatia
okay
esuma my Ghana because me contribution to politics in this country when say it's obvious obi ntimi ne wechi ne so atmosphere enti myself o manakwatia me sevu du baby hwe na me hwe nkwada be 160 plus ewo various tertiary institutions. I'm a sponsor on full scholarship nezebia omom 200 and 300.
Okay.
Emre do so say Ghana person ko training kwada o Cuba.
Yeah.
Midin kwada 6 ne fia kotia ekoe. SS kwada o 7 ehia forma. And no we na medical doctors amene o kaze omwo Ghana.
Okay.
What must say? Enti me suma kotia won kwanso. But 7 impredus. You see Nkrodoso entrafa ko enye ne mbuas me som akwatia wo mbemnu na 2016 unim say tsunami na farm for bebre no e farm nso because akwatia no obia also obia tell akwatia na MPP stronghold and 2 years from 2000 presidential NDC MPP na wini de bia but parliamentary no so MPP for mucha na afem oh, me say me winning with only 557 votes.
Yeah.
That time John Mahama no me president who lose by 1,600 or more.
Okay.
And I mean look say I go to end this in o winning with 1,157. Me look say John Mahama lose with close to 2,000. So that has been the trend.
Okay.
Until May we lose 2006. Me can on national TV. So me mama otiase. We did 88 years. Me mama no say baba, me nyina wakwete bi.
Enye
me mama and the catch them say baba, wasuma kwetia ne kwanso. Na okamo sika se jeme. Me a fighter.
Yeah.
When they say me call 2000. We fighter me fight here 2000. Even though MPP stronghold, but I mean one more boss so power on to say me win here. Then easy.
Yeah.
After 3 to 4 times. But Dana me mama can it affected me. In fact, me who say me mama na no raho. I'm an iniquity. And that was that very day. Oh, you're too abandoned there. In fact, say Ochina. The next day na me ko chia me mama.
Okay.
And I'm mama cancer symptom. That very day na me call and I'm because me na go there for politics me we. Me na me announce we. Man champ my BINC ebia 3 months 4 months and I be primary say but they be me na me ko kaze me nye min contest ya kwetebio
was it because abeye NPP seat intino say na baba koso e contest anhwa na yakobu bu ne famfram
and this ni no and this ni so be wi no me ti radio so na me kasa obe bisa kwetiafo a me na me be so na sen
okay
me ko track kwetie ye adwuma from area to area zongo to zongo clam to clam obi abedi dance ya kwetiafo hwe a me de support no ma enne we ni engineers akwatia no sabi na me ne popular me stand primaries all 10 times me win NDC me win and no doubt about that but sabi we see anomache duaso a ojibo you must know as a politician when to bow out
okay and
especially when you good advice from your mother who is my my everything. So what must say? Okay. You need to take that.
So it means East Ayawasu so obeying so no. Something of that sort a push out unhia so be catch us call. One can say out.
If I come to East Ayawasu, oh ni dika no ba Quran mo Nyankopon ka se mitre. O say Allahumma al-malikul mulk tuti mulku man tasha wa tunzi'u mulku mimman tasha. O say Nyankopon na osihini.
Okay.
No twin. Oba Bible mun so dey say. Yeah. O say ono no osihini no twin. So what must say? Enti Baba Jaman se me wini East Ayawasu Nyankopon ni besini.
Okay.
Enye nipa. So what must say?
Okay.
Ena se Nyankopon so ka se ni openo or the ama we are ye na ye ndisifo ye be kan ye ho abom edi nipa ko echi.
Okay.
Na yakosom party no. So what must say? Sure. Because party no ne hu here 2024 is non-negotiable. I say NDC power. Non-negotiable.
2024?
No, non-negotiable. December 7th, 2024, about one year kono. And not about personal interest. And not about individual. It's about the party. We must win. But Upper East Ayawasu, the problem with East Ayawasu is that, oh yeah, your votes. So I check your vote net so okay. From 2012 we have been reducing in votes.
Yes, I know your last percentage Mustafa Ahmed, the former deputy sports minister, was about 89%.
Na gap no
and the Montiaba was somewhere 60-62%.
Yes, so it tells you, say, if you are not careful, anything can happen.
And he keeps winning.
Yeah, no, as for a parliamentary, you can win with even one vote.
Yeah.
But the presidential shows that the president gets more than the candidate. So that's not a good thing for us. So what must say? Because in every parliamentary way, the candidate must be more popular.
Yeah.
So what must say? Because of his personal president. And this year, Tony, but
even with 2016, Abra Tsunami Baye, Ma Eka, even Jamahama. Ayawasu East, move votes Kosu Kakra.
No, checking here. We check votes now, but when say from 2012, no. 2012, no. May started from 2012, because 2012, they created, that we check constituency.
Yeah. Okay, so 2012, money about 65.2%.
Okay.
Then 2016, about 60.1%.
That's right.
Now, 2016, East Ayawasu constituency parliamentary results, NDC, 62.1%. That's the candidate in another presidential. About 60.14%.
No, check 2020.
2020.
Yes, and then the latest.
Yeah. Okay.
So check 2020, among the latest results, then you see what I'm telling you.
Okay. So, Mianche, 2020 parliamentary results from East Ayawasu constituency in the Greater Accra region. Now, presidential, 63.17%.
Yes.
That's John Dramani Mahama. Parliamentary, 61.18%.
So that's what I'm telling you. So what must say? So you see the difference. 63
against 61
is a bad visit in terms of percentage.
Yeah.
So about 2 percentage points.
Yeah.
So what in America can say, in your strongholds, we are political scientists. In your strongholds, you should be increasing your votes.
Dynamics in society.
Looking
at the last percentage from Ahmed, Mustafa Ahmed Ejade Mamu.
Mustafa Ahmed, we uniform because Mam will be north and east combined.
Okay. So for
2012, that is where you look at the trend from.
Okay.
I'm saying that when you are in your stronghold, for example, MPP in Ashanti will always want to increase their votes.
Sure.
NDC in Volta will always want to increase our votes. So what must say? Into where you have your stronghold and your votes come down, then it's a problem. So what must say? Then there's a fundamental problem.
Yeah.
And then BBI where a party money bit me so what must say?
Okay.
But we are just giving you the gist of the problems that we are going through. So that's why I'm saying that our party members are gradually losing hope in voting. Into things like apathy we sent in. Look at MPP vote. Check MPP vote. It has increased. In fact, there are now almost 15,000 in Nima, in East Ayawasu.
Okay.
which is a huge number.
Yeah.
In a stronghold like
in terms
ours.
of decimal figures.
In terms of absolute figures,
Yeah.
It's a huge number. They are almost 14,000 plus. Oh no. So what I'm saying is there is the need for a new life to be, inspired into.
Who did it say more current MP no one from the man for East Iowa?
I won't mean to be put to raw say.
Okay.
But the Americans say me full say emra say system. Because our conference where election we are calling no vote no ever for.
Okay.
The first vote no or do over 13,000 or plus in the win difference.
Yeah.
So the vote now about 8,000 plus.
Over
the years.
Baba, and yet dynamics na as now looking at
there's not any dynamics
population
there.
growth, the kind of encrofua, for example, we should be able to say as one say one of the strongest hosts of Edma NDC. But you see, over the years, NPP
yes, so
even somewhere in voter region. At first, now NPP claimed to me immense.
So let the people there know that when your votes keep coming down,
okay,
it is about time to change. Wherever you see your votes
so coming down, challenge by the candidate.
No, it's not the party. Wherever you see the votes starting back for more, then you should know that there is a problem. So what must say? Not necessarily say, for example, personality.
Okay.
You say, ensure a check to more. Yeah. So change is good. You change for better. You don't change for worse.
Maybe some changes are dangerous.
Yes, but opeso kasa nana do change na bad. Opeso kasa nana do change na bad. Nana do dey na o can dey fine. So ko nana do change dey afro kana fo. Obi ehun dey ya bad change.
Baba change be dangerous.
But change be dangerous. Nana do dey dangerous change. So what must say? But some changes are good.
Okay.
There are changes that you change not because. You see, sometimes, Grano, on said, Nano, you can't say, when I didn't take Ghana, your financial station, I bad no. Can operate out to India. On said MP before Gradu, baby, Oman Casagrassi, Yankee Papano, his involvement is not the best.
Okay.
Yankasa Papano near time. Okay. But you see, his presence in the financial setup of this country is not good for this country.
Dear Nababa Jama Baba, your East Ayawa Suntia. Are you also for NCSM?
Me de encourage eba.
Any idea?
Me ba bibi
abokwan. The boys, you know.
Oh, Mina. I'm not going there to give them fish. I'm going to teach them how to fish. Okay. I'm going to create employment for them, facilitate employment for them. One of the things that I have done, so Oba me pledges am de buy. Me name say me de copy buyer. Me wo pledges am aye.
Okay.
I am a vision. Vision, my mission.
Okay.
Match 15 pledges. I remember what I intend to do 15. To transfer 15
as a member of parliament.
Oh yes.
Pledges.
15 of it. Inshallah, by God.
Baba, can't just say MP.
But that is why I did this. My I'm not a novice. My heavy pen, so before
pressure bounce almost somehow, you know.
Me before my heavy, I have the track record. And for the first time, I say I will be an accessible leader.
Okay.
Which show me I will be one. Me say me creating youth skill fund. Nkwada bebre wo Nima. When you say Nima a very populous area.
Skillful area.
But who is helping them? So that man say me bofutro at all. Me leverage on institutions na wo ye constituency no me nyina no.
Okay.
Na me use that photo na hwe nkwada among.
Okay, so a photo a wo bo ato na amanfo contribute. Na also do MPs come
media gum. Na ma make Christians nkwada me say ohwe za we na. Meja we amawa.
Okay.
Fatu odachi asemunti. Me say second, me say me start on me second year, me say non man first year. Me the first year no be then be bo photo no apesika gum. Me start second year now. Every year me training kwada 100.
Mate. Baba Jama obi a wo pray. Say NDC adehye wo East Ayawa so won cramp ompene man temeto abade amane se member parliamentary candidate for the constituency. On NHTN mo enka se me on 13th May 2023 na NDC abeko AU amrache yafo any penny obedu anim etuma pani franka ade wontina sa komodie ye twetwe se be koso se ya amnye we emran baba emetos ne he the 15 pledges you what the man for what East Iowa so constituency bedwam e ba se ask Honorable Baba Jama his achievement in NDC and what he seeks to do for the great NDC party.
My achievement is very open. Who doesn't know Baba Jamal in Ghana? My records are open records. I have served this party from branch up to the Deputy General Secretary, and I served for 2 terms. So that must say.
Okay.
It was when we got into power that I was appointed a minister. That's why I left the party headquarters. Then my achievements and my support and my fight for this party is an open secret. I don't need to recount them. What I want to achieve for the people of East Iowa is what I was talking about.
But dear now, because say over buffer tour, Sika ma nes baba nyan start here. Sada aka kira man for East Iowa so ana.
Nem pesa oti ase ne say. Obi ani nani mo de kobo busian.
Oh okay.
Obi minia, obi nsa wo nim anya de bobusian me de manim ye o.
Mo feel, ene mo feel.
Ukwa wo feel me de om ko mbe feel me. But anya busian. O really 8 of me we na me we na
pledge no.
Me no 7 of my pledge na. Me say I'll pledge to work with all institutions and companies in East Iowa municipality to create a fund for the support and facilitation of education and developmental projects for my constituents, leveraging on their social responsibility for the community. You know there is a social responsibility law in this country. Institution be a wohono.
Yeah.
Well, so obwa. When you say East Iowa, your 4 TV stations. In fact, 5. Your GTV.
Okay.
Your TV3.
I'm more GBC Ankasa.
GBC Ankasa.
Yeah.
The whole
GBC, yeah.
Okay. Your TV3.
Okay.
Your home-based TV.
Yeah.
Your Unia TV.
Yeah.
Your channel 247.
Yeah.
Ni now one constituency. It tells you that what we have and what we can leverage on. Let me tell you one thing I did for Agwajia people. And I'm talking to Abuabo people.
Okay.
Abuabo, time I work with you, could be a friend Abuabo. Your company we friend GOPDC.
Okay.
A Belgian company, so me young go. Abuabo for no honor on workers in the bread. A crew and a show on farm.
Yeah.
Me koko hu GOA managing director. And in the trans, I'm saying, near friend Gerald or a Belgian. I'm saying, Masa, won't me betra who that light one. Me men crow for me your Jumam no mudesu. What do you do to bring light to that place?
Okay.
Let me tell you, sir, in 2015, they spent over 600,000 600,000 plus. No more light few coming in. Wow. So it tells you
because
what
of intervention now.
Exactly. I went and approached them. Light. That is the type of leadership we are talking about. And you be an abambet. And you be an abambet abakas on the brewo.
Okay.
But a pumbi or who know boom near bill.
Okay.
Na 777 uko boom so no nim nia we. Nessa ukom no a dambia ni send your boom. When you boom den when you boom gentle.
Okay. Every cry a mia
bell. So it depends on who is approaching it.
And so Baba Jama catch say East Iowa so for say nanimu odru to extend say neso pe emwa ewo constituency from companies na sabetimi akam wo dey say pledges we
milia Baba Jama meti sebe obi ni me bobre okura mu ndofo say me ni kura no me ni amanfo ayedwuma as political colleagues across board MPP or NDC me ni nkrofo ku school from university up to this level. Many Crawford Juma, both home and abroad.
Okay.
So at must say, obey him, sebi, obey him, Baba Jama and the Bobre. Me Baba ye dear Bemo 8 years. Ye ka sebio scandal. What is them make a home? And what is it? Sebi skebia from Zema Irada. Sebi obey him says ba no credia me di no cre.
Okay.
And these are the qualities I am leveraging on to make sure say my boys, I make a baby job. And my wo East Iowa. Me person me say, ye can enterprising women. You find them in East House. Do you know that we have one of the biggest markets in Accra in West Africa? The Mahmudu market.
Yeah.
Me just share me pledge in Museme Bar. I will lobby for it to be built into a multi-purpose market.
Wow.
In 2020, it was in our manifesto as NDC.
Okay.
I am going to ensure that it remains in the manifesto because manifestos can change. Yeah. But I will ensure that it remains in the manifesto. I will talk to my people. Okay. Only said East I was going to lose NDC order since 1992.
Okay.
So, but a dear NDC as a government here, because next 2005,
yeah.
So, you buy you didn't be your share East I was when you so that must say.
Okay.
Can that area, and Nipa Hene will say, you Badwam, because that place looks beautiful, but we have people there who need support, who needs to be raised, businessmen who need to be encouraged, teachers, what scheme can we put together so that they will be encouraged to teach our children better?
Okay.
I'm telling you things that are practical. I'm not telling you things that are out of the moon.
Okay.
I'm telling you simple things that are practical.
And easy to verify.
Easy to verify, easy to do.
Okay.
Call people. How many businessmen say okay. Doctors in Nima Clinic, doctors in 37.
Okay.
Do you know one certain? What do you say apart from Nima Clinic in 37? The whole of Israel from Ring Road, you need one health center.
Baba Jama, Epe, Mashibija, Akunya, or any Samiko East Iowa constituency in the Greater Accra region. As some favor be a serious and critical.
Masa me can't some one name at Trawa, Oberfuse in Accra. Me o video, I met him in the Achro. You wrote, none of more, I'm one of boys, and one of a boy. One who rose. I go across Central.
What, Baba? You better say.
And until I may say, I'm bringing message of hope. I'm coming to work with the people. I'm coming to work for the people. I know that together we can achieve for that place.
But there are questions here. Now, second, say, production to watch none of the website here. I will be able to do so.